Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are hosting the Valentine's edition. Let's think about love. Okay, I won't be singing. However, we're going to make some peanut clusters today and we're going to fancy them up for Valentine's. And we're going to put together a display that's fit for your sweetheart. Okay, let's take a look at the other ingredients we're going to need, and we're going to go ahead and get this love display together. To make our delicious peanut clusters, you're going to need 4 ingredients: semi-sweet morsels, butterscotch morsels, Spanish peanuts, and peanut butter. We're going to start by measuring out all of our ingredients and having them close by the stove, because this recipe goes fast and you do not want to leave the stove. We are now ready to put our peanut clusters together. You're going to need a heavy pot, and we're going to add all our ingredients. And we're going to start with our peanut butter, and we're going to stir continuously. You do not want to walk away. Once your morsels and your peanut butter has completely melted together, immediately add your peanuts. And the oil from the peanuts is going to loosen that chocolate right up, and it's going to be a beautiful consistency. Just like that. You want to go ahead and remove it from the stove, and we are ready to make some Valentine's clusters. I have a 1-inch scoop, and I'm going to drop 2 scoops into each one of these square molds. To release the air bubbles and to have a beautiful finish, tap your mold on the countertop and then place it in the refrigerator. For this next mold, we're going to be using hearts. And as you can see, that design is on the bottom. So what I've done, melted some white chocolate and some semi-sweet chocolate to place on the bottom so I can get that beautiful design. This silicone mold here is another beautiful mold in a heart shape, and it have those little beautiful sayings in there. We also going to use our melted chocolate to put on the bottom so we can achieve that beautiful smooth design once we turn our candies out. Now with our silicone mold, we can go ahead and put our clusters directly in there. It does not have to set up. Once you have filled your molds, go ahead and take a butter knife and clean up your mold so that you can have a nice flat bottom. And then place them into the refrigerator. Okay, our heart molds has set up, and now we're going to go ahead and put clusters on top of our chocolate. And once we're done filling them with our clusters, we're going to go ahead and take a butter knife and we're going to smooth that bottom off so that we can have a flat surface. And then we're going to place these into the refrigerator, and we're going to get prepared to package them up. Our chocolates are all ready. I actually put them into the freezer for about 10 minutes to speed the process up. So we're going to go ahead and start with our square mold, and we're going to turn these chocolates out, and they pop out pretty easily. Once you put them in the freezer, this is your results. Beautiful. I absolutely love that. Up next, the hearts in the silicone mold. Now take a look at this. Look at that. It's going to be even more beautiful once we package those up. Love it, love it. Heart-shaped molds. We have double hearts. How beautiful is that, guys? Look at that. Oh wow, I love it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We're going to be using these foil wraps that I picked up from my craft store, and we're going to wrap our candies in. So for the hearts, you're going to lay them face down because we want that heart shape to show through as our final results. So take your time and wrap them really nice and tight. And once you have your candies wrapped, flip it over and give it a good smooth down so that heart shape can come through. It is so beautiful. We're going to do the same thing with our hearts. We're going to go do the same process. Once you wrap it nice and tight, take your time, and we're going to flip it over, and we're going to rub the front of that candy, and you will see that raised wording come through. So beautiful. How cute is that? Absolutely gorgeous. Square candies, I'm going to be using these trays I picked up from Dollar Tree. I'm going to place each one in a tray, and I have some plastic pouches that I'm going to slide those into, and then I will tape them on the back. And we are ready to put this display together. We have our candies all packaged up, and now I'm going to share with you a simple display that I put together for my candies. Now, in the event that you do not have molds, you can very well use the teaspoon method and just drop your clusters by the teaspoon. But I thought this would be a fun way for Valentine's to display them, in different hearts, and show you how I wrap them and show you a simple display that is just fun and creative. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please take the time to like and share, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, and until next time, keep life simple. Bye.